Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna open the presents from Grandma.
Not we, Lance.
Sita's gonna help me.
Oh, okay.
Come here,
Sita's gonna help. Cause Lance is so jealous. Cause I get to
open any present.
I get to open all the presents.
Sita, so take the card is for later, obviously.
Oh, sure. You can't possibly open that right now.
So Sita, what do you think it is? Is it shoes?
Oh, maybe little baby shoes from the hype store?
Does it smell like your little brother? Oh no. This is taking much longer than I expected. Okay, Tita, here we go. Ooh, maybe it's a variety of things. Do you think there's a North Dakota onesie in here?
Ooh, I hope so.
Oh, you know what it is.
No, I don't. What is it?
Oh, this is a very good present. Isn't it, Sita?
Oh, from Grandma.
Quilts.
Oh,
that's perfect.
Look at that.
Sita's going to love this, and so is the baby. Oh, perfect.
Sita, that's not for you.
Yeah. Thank you guys very much.
That's beautiful. Yay, thank you. Do you want to open the card too? Or
sure.
do you want to?
No, you just...
Okay.
There's the same button on the top.
Oh, okay.